In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do for getting things done, the renowned productivity methodology. In just a few minutes, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of task management with this powerful tool. First, let's make sure you have the Microsoft To Do app ready. Head over to your Start menu, and if you haven't yet downloaded it, Microsoft To Do is available in the Microsoft Store for Windows users. Alternatively, if you're someone who's often on the go and prefers using web apps, you can simply visit the web-based version at todo.microsoft.com. Once there, look for the sign-in option. You'll need your Microsoft account credentials, which are conveniently the same as those used for other services like Outlook and OneDrive. Now let's go through the sign-in process. Click on Sign In and enter your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard of Microsoft To Do, giving you access to all your tasks and lists. This interface will serve as your central hub for organizing your daily activities. One of the core elements in the Getting Things Done system is categorization, and in Microsoft To Do, you can harness this by creating distinct lists for various contexts. Whether it's work, personal, or errands, having separate lists allows you to focus only on what's relevant in a particular context. For those more complex tasks that seem daunting on their own, you can break them down into smaller, digestible subtasks. This functionality turns a once monolithic task into manageable parts, giving you a clearer path to completion. Along with that, using due dates and reminders can be a game changer. By setting deadlines and timely reminders, you ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, keeping you on track with your goals. Let's talk about consistency with recurring tasks. Microsoft To Do allows you to set tasks to repeat on various schedules, whether that's daily, weekly, or even custom intervals. This feature is perfect for habitual activities or those regular meetings that seem to pop up so frequently. Moreover, task dependencies are a great way to maintain order and efficiency. By linking related tasks, you clearly define which tasks need completion before others can begin, helping you prioritize and streamline your workflow. Lastly, for every task you create, there's an option to include additional details or context within the task description area. Jotting notes can provide clarity when you revisit a task, ensuring you remember those critical thoughts or instructions. And there you have it, folks. You've just learned how Microsoft To Do can be seamlessly integrated into your Getting Things Done routine. With these features at your fingertips, you'll find yourself navigating through your tasks with ease and efficiency, setting yourself up for higher productivity and success.